Okay. Now, okay. Now in the output, in the we need only if it is copy, we do not need the data. Okay. If there is any change, then only we need the data. Okay.
Okay.
What is the change means? If there is any update, we need the data. If there is insert, we need the data. Forget about the dates. Okay.
Okay.
So first you need to understand which record is the insert, which record is the update. I need only those two records to my output. Okay.
Okay.
So how you are going to achieve it?
If we go to keep drop output for drop output for the delete edit equals to false.
Don't want to do anything in change capture for now.
Okay.
Without change capture, after change capture stage, I am getting how the data is coming, right?
Okay.
Okay. Hamida,
So
copy paste that 1 second. Copy paste that output here. What you got in Excel?
Oh,
sorry.
These
What you got in the
are
job?
my out.
What you got in the job? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, either we can use transformer or filter.
Yeah, 1 second.
Can I do this?
Yeah, paste here. Okay. Oh, okay. Or otherwise you can go there only. We can understand from there. Okay. Okay. Now we are getting the code for 3 for update. And what is the code for insert?
Insert
One.
one.
Okay. And update?
Update 3.
Update 3.
Okay. Now we need only those two records to the output. So then you hold on.
Okay.
Rest of the people, can you please tell me?
Yeah, you can use a transformer stage. Okay, and the constraint, if you give that change code equals to 3, and we can move it to the update link. And if the change code equals to 3 or change code equals to 1, we can drag one insert link and we can move into one of the sequential.
I want everything to one output only, to the target only. Either it is update or it is insert. I need to populate them to the same output.
Okay, you can give in the constraint and condition 3 and 1.
Okay.
And the trans.
Okay. Go to your job. Okay. You can close. Okay. Okay. Give an output link from transformer to that sequential file. It is, I think, is it connected correctly? Yeah. Okay. Okay. It is connected. Yeah. Now, yeah. Go to that constraint. Go to transformer. Now map everything to DS-Link 9. Okay. Now go to constraint. Constraint. Yeah. In constraint, write this condition. Go to options, input column, change code equal to. No. Keep it like that. Why you're deleting?
No, it's yeah, she's wrong. It's it's not
Change
a
code.
location.
Change code. Yeah, equal to. What's the code for update? 3, right? 3. Yeah, write it. Hamida. Hamida, you there? I think we lost her. 3. You are on mute, Hamida.
No need for function.
I'm not in mute.
Oh, okay, okay. I think my internet is gone. Okay, now it is good. Yeah. 3. Just type 3
Okay.
space R
And
or
okay. 1.
One.
Yeah. Okay. Try it. Yeah, click outside. Just click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Yeah.
Okay.
Now what will happen? Update and insert will go to the output. Okay. Click OK. 1 second. Again click OK. Go to that sequence. Yeah. Now you can run. You can run it because you already
Okay.
given the file name, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can run it now. But
But empty.
I think you did not give the file name. Okay, please give it again. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, give the file name. You know, I never implemented SCT2 so far. Even I haven't practiced it also. This is the first time. Even for me, it is first time. Flash. Yeah. If you understand the concept, you can do anything. That's what I want to tell. SCD, not SDC, SDC,
Yeah.
SCD.
Yeah. Slowly changing.
Yeah. Pranusha, you are able to understand anything?
I'm trying to understand.
So we no 1 second. Yeah. What we are doing is we are just comparing the new data with the already data what we have. Okay. Did you ever heard about SCD2? Run it. Have you heard about SCD2? Slowly changing dimension.
Yeah,
So
I
we are
heard.
yeah, we are implementing it now. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, view data.
Yeah, like if you can give like quick overview, I can
Yeah,
understand.
sure. You after this class, you can connect with Udayani. She can Udayani or Lakshmi or anyone. Anybody, everyone is up to the speed now. You can connect anyone. Yeah, even I can also help you. You connect where all are very friendly, very helpful. You can connect with anyone.
Sure. Yeah.
So we got 2 also. 0.
Everything. We got everything.
Hey, we got to
No, we got 0, 0, 2.
Option in the change capital stage, we did not like change, right? For drop for delete equals to true. It was
no. Actually, after that is up to transformer only. Up to transformer, this data should come. I don't know why it is here. Maybe-
no to transfer, but it will move right to and all this.
Okay, close it once. Cancel it.
Actually, instead
Transform.
of transformer, we can do in change capture itself, right?
No, I don't want to do that in change capture.
Okay.
Should we use or and instead of
Yeah.
And will not work.
If we use two constraints,
No. Can you try with only 3 first? We will see. Or do one thing. Give everything in quotes. Give the 3 or 1 in double quotes. Give 3 in double quotes. Yeah, 1 also in double quotes. Yeah, now run it. Compile and run it. Again 11. Wait. Again everything came, right?
Yes.
Let's go. Oh, okay, view data, we will see.
Everything came.
Oh, 11. Ideally, it should not be like that. Change.
Is it because of
Can we
two
do in
things
change
we are
capture once? Can we try in change capture once?
If you do it in change capture, no need to use transformer.
Yeah.
No, not like that. I'm saying, please try. Hamid, can we go to change capture? Okay, in this, like, drop output for copy equals to true. Give the option drop output for copy equals to true,
Okay.
and drop output for delete equals to true.
So there now we are writing job type to
Okay, now click
SCDC,
OK.
SCD.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
now,
correct.
now compile and run it. Let's see now what will happen.
We
Yeah.
will get. But why do we get only 11 rows? Type 2 means current and
Yeah, that is
historical
what.
both,
That is
but
what. Yeah, that is what we are.
we need got 15 rows, I think.
We got 8 rows here. Here only 8 rows only.
Yeah, but I'm suspecting why transfer. Yeah, if we drop in change capture, it will work.
Transformer is not working properly. Why we need to know?
Yeah, that is what I'm. Yeah, if you remove that, if you drop it in change capture itself, that will work. You really.
Can you open the constraint once?
Mm,
Can you separate both the statements by in one statement 3 and another statement 1?
Okay,
Let's see
put
how it
only
works.
3. We will see first.
So there now instead of transformer, why don't we use a CD stage? In processing, we have that stage.
Yeah, you can use that stage. I never
It's a
used
tool.
that stage
It's
actually. We can implement SCD2 in that stage also. Let's see. Okay,
but
put
it's too long. I think
1 second.
2 stages we are using here.
Yeah, 1 second, Gauri. Hey, go to change capture and put it true, Hamida. Yeah.
This one again.
You put it true, right? Yeah, put it false.
Put it false.
In
This one.
constraint, do we have to use space bars?
No, wait. Everything false, right? Okay. Yeah, now run it. What, Sunita?
Do we have to use space bars there in the constraint?
Space? No, nothing, not required. But I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, now
Yes.
if you give only one, it is working fine. Now see, go to view data now. Yeah, no, only 3 is there, right? Okay.
So we can write 2 statements and we can write the same statement and
Go to
check.
transformer, we will see.
Can we use comma there?
No, I don't think it will work. Go to
We
transformer.
can give the again that link name and equals to 3, or link name equals to 1. Can we try like that
Go
in
to
constraint?
go to constraints.
Yeah. Give
Um,
or
Can
or
you
wait,
select the
wait.
dot once? we will see what is we are getting the next statement instead of
Wait,
typing.
wait. Just copy that whole DS6 code equal to 3.
Yeah, I copied it.
You paste it.
or yeah, equals to 1.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, now it is
8
correct.
rows.
3 and 1.
I mean, the
Yeah.
found in easiest way to get the data fast.
Take it back.
Yeah, this is how it works. Okay. Now this is what SCD2. Okay. No, and now we add another feature. Now let's work on the date. Okay.
Okay.
Go to transformer. Now we need to date what is the okay. Go to current.
So,
Yeah.
Sudhir,
Yeah.
this should be SCD1, right? In SCD2, we get history also, right?
History will be already there actually. Ideally, this is the first run, right? Suppose ideally how it should be is whatever the existing data that should be already in target. I will explain you. Add one.
Sudhir, where are we going to find if this is STC 1 or 2? Where are we going to
Watching the
keep that
data.
condition?
First, you need to understand what is SCD1. SCD1 means current data.
That is what I mean. If we want SCD
It is
1,
current data, right? Right now,
we
we
need
did
to
what
apply
we did.
type 1. If we need history also, we need to apply type 2. So where are we applying that condition, type 1 or type 2?
1 second, Sunita. I will explain you from the beginning. Okay.
Mm.
Hamida, add
Yes.
one column, insert one column. Not there in the derivation. Yeah. No. Under DS link 9. Under DS link 9. Okay. Double click on it. Yeah. Double click on it. Yeah. Go to that options. 1 second. Functions. Date. Date functions are there. No.
Date and time.
Yeah. Current date. Yeah. Click outside. 1 second. Okay. Give that column name as date. Not there.
At
Change
the
it.
bottom.
Okay. Give the data type also as date.
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 Second one.
Yeah. Click OK. Okay. Okay. Then run it. Run. Now you go to your output file directly. You can go to your output file directly. The easiest way you found. Okay. See. Yeah. Now copy that. What is that? Today 13th, right? Okay. Copy one of the date and now we will implement the date also. Okay. Now earlier you guys are telling that you don't know how it is accepting the date format, right? This is the date format. How it is now it will accept. Okay. Go to your input file. No, not here. In the input file existing data. Yeah. Input file, this is output, right? Go to input in the existing data. Yeah. You add the column date. Yeah. Start date and end date. Add 2 columns. One is start date, comma, end date. Okay. Now, comma, yeah, paste it. Paste the date. Yeah, comma, double nines.
2 nines or 4 nines?
Anything is fine. Give 4 nines. Yeah.
So everywhere it is same?
Yeah. Put everywhere it is fine. Same. Okay, 1 second. Now we have the start date and end date. Change the only date, Naveen, Hamida. Change only date. Give random date like 10, 11, 12 or something, whatever. Even you can change the year also if you want.
This I'll keep 13.
Yeah.
So I'll do 14.
Yeah, anything is fine. Now, 1 second. Now, what is the change you updated for 11, right? Which column you updated the location? In the,
For 11 and I believe
okay,
33.
okay, 11 only, right? Okay, let's assume it is 11. Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, 11.
Okay, stay there, stay there. Or not there. Okay, go to your new data now. And again, can you put start date here? Start date. Yeah.
End date also.
No end date. Okay, and comma, Texas, comma, give that date. Give 12 here. Give 12. Not 12. 1 second. In the existing data, change the year as 2022.
In the existing.
Yeah, in the existing data, you change the year 2022. Okay.
Okay.
And 2023 09. We can give it as 10 or something. See, 1 second. No. Keep it 09 like that. And the date. This is the month now. That is the month. Okay. Now the format is that is a default data type, date type of data stage. Okay. YYYYMMDD. That is the default data type of date type of the data stage. Okay. Very important thing, that point. Okay. Now, see what you understand now. The employee, that employee 11 started working in Singapore in the year 2022, September 11th. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Now the same employee started working in Texas in the year 2023 on 10th September. Okay.
Okay.
That means the end date in Singapore will be 1 day minus 1, right?
Yes.
So when will be the when that 11 ended his work in Singapore?
9th.
9th
Nine.
of September 23.
Yeah. Okay.
Shall I update it?
No. Keep it like that. Now, what we need to do for end date, we need to populate the start date, right? For in the exit, you got it?
Oh, this end date will be minus 1 day of.
Should be changed.
Exactly. Yeah. Now we will implement this in a transformer. Okay. 1 second. 23. This is new data, right? Okay, perfect. Go to transformer. First, read the data.
No, we're
Add
not
the column.
giving any data for new data. remaining dates.
Yeah, please give for them remaining dates, keep them as it is. Or yeah, give some random dates. But let's focus on only employee number 11 now, but we need to give some data. Let's give some data for the rest of the data also. Give the same data, okay? But let's focus on only one employee, then we will take a look at other. Even this is first time I am implementing it. I know the concept how it works, but I never tried it. Even I am lazy to implement it. Even if the interviewer asks me, I will tell the same thing.
I saw many videos today.
Oh,
I tried exactly the
sure.
same, but I couldn't get the output.
Oh, okay. We will see. You tried it in the same way?
Yeah,
What you are
same way.
doing now? Okay.
I googled how many ways there are for giving the date formats, and I
You
did the
saved it, right?
all type of date formats.
Hamida, you saved it, right?
I saved it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Start date, yeah. End date, you can just give it as varchar because it is all nines, right? Give it as varchar. Okay. And one sec, yeah. Oh, in the new data, you can give it as date format only because that is the default data type, right? For the existing data, for the new data only, you need to give it as varchar. Yeah. For this, you can give it as varchar.
Where can now we need to
No,
do
no,
that?
date.
Click on V.
No, this
No.
is this new data, right?
Yeah, click on V, varchar. Oh, 1 second. New data also we are giving corrected. Yeah, you can click on D. You just a D. Don't drop down it. Just if you click on D, it will come. Yeah. Okay. Oh, can you try view data once? In both.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is the start date.
This is the issue I got actually. I
Okay.
can't view data here itself.
Did you got the data from transformer and using current date function, Udayani? Did you use current date function to get the sample data?
No.
That's the reason you did not get it.
Why we need to do that?
Because we don't know how it will accept the data. We don't know the format.
I typed in the same exact
Still
format.
it will not accept. Sometimes this date function is very tricky actually. It will irritate us actually, the date formats. That is I don't like this date, dealing with the date here.
Yeah, my mind exploded today.
If it is something is lagging, you don't spend much time, you just move on. If you understand the concept, that's all. I want you to understand the concept in first place. Don't spend too much time for here. Okay. Did you put start date as date? What's the date type you put for start date? Can you go to columns, close it?
I put a date.
Columns.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, click OK. Okay.
Do you need to change anything?
1 second. I
I
we
think
need to
that's,
perform join here.
So I need to map this output, right? Date.
Start date should be mapped to end date actually. 1 second, let me think. Actually, I think we need to perform one join here. before change capture only, we need 1 second. Okay, we got the start date. One second, I will come back in a second. Yeah, once again, now we need to, now we have start dates from the book. Okay. Can you maximize the screen once? I'm just thinking how to implement it. Okay, we have start date now. Okay, can you populate that start date to the output? Just map it. Okay. Mm. Okay, now go to change capture stage. Yeah, you're sorry. Yeah, properties, stage properties. Go to stage, click on stage. Yeah. Drop output for copy. Can you put it as true? Okay. Drop output for delete, drop output for edit, drop output.
We don't need deleted items too, right? Deleted.
Um, we need edit items and
Updated, inserted.
yeah,
So delete one should be true too.
we need delete. Yeah, that's correct. Can I put it as true? Click OK. Yeah, now go to transformer and
We don't need change code here, right? And I didn't saw any change code in the outputs.
yeah, let's keep it like that. We will see. We have current. We can remove that current of 1 second. Actually, in the output, you have to add another column stating end, start date and end date. Both columns you need to add. Start date is already there. You just need to add end date.
Okay.
Can't we change current date to start date? Since we don't need the current date right now.
Yes.
Yeah, change it.
So this I need to change to start date.
Yeah. And the end date should be the date format or we can.
So now we have started and end date. Okay.
So the SQL type for end date should be changed, right?
The start date we can match from here.
The updated start date should be the current new date, right? So
Yeah. Now, what the start date is coming, and it is 1 second. Even I am not able to. My brain is not able to think how to. We have to map the start date to the end date. Okay.
Start date to end date. Okay.
For 1 second. For which one? For the update one. Okay. For the update only, you will get the end date because he
yeah,
must.
we are using 3 and 1, right? So
Yeah. Let's yeah. 3 or 1. Okay.
in the end date, it has to be start date
Yeah.
-1.
Okay. 1 second. Map the start date to the end date. Map that start date column to the end date. Yeah. Okay. And current date you put. Okay. You can remove
So
that.
it has to be 1 day minus, right?
1 second.
Previous day, right?
Yeah. Put it as -1. Will it work?
No, we have a syntax function for that in dates.
Oh. Okay. Can you go to the dates? No, not there.
Can you delete it?
Delete it. Yeah.
Delete everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Copy it. Copy it.
Okay.
Control X.
Hmm.
Okay. Now go to options. Now go to date function in functions. Go to date functions.
Date and time.
Yeah.
Day 1 second. Days from since. Wait.
1 second. 1 second. Days. Yeah, it is on the top only.
Yeah.
1 second. 1 second. Yeah. Date since from date. Click on that. Yeah. 1 second.
No, we get here the output would be number of days it has passed. This is not the one.
Oh, okay. Okay. Try the different one. Even I forgot about all these functions. Yeah. Functions. Date and time, current time.
Date from components since. Date offset by component. A little bit down. Date offset by days.
Let's try it.
Base date offset date.
1 second. 1 second. Give Control V now. Control V.
Yeah, for base date. Yeah.
Control V and offset. Give 1. Yeah. Now click outside. Okay. Yeah. Try to run it. We will see.
No, the start date should be changed.
Start date should be start date should be start date only. Map start
Yeah.
date to the start date.
Yes.
Okay. Click OK.
So the
Yeah. Try it.
end date should be changed. Format. The format is char.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah. You can change the date format here. And how about the end date for the new record? See.
End date we gave varchar, right? There.
1 second.
No, we can give date here, I guess.
Okay, run it.
Since we are getting.
Yeah, date only.
Since we are getting all the only updated and modified, we will be having both dates.
Okay.
Click OK. You guys, you can export this data stage job and share in email also, so that others can import and test it. You can do in that way also.
Okay, 8 rows.
8 rows.
Hey, 8 rows. Can you check the output?
One second. Mm.
We're checking only for 11 days. Yeah, one date less than 11. Yes. Okay.
So end date came correctly, right?
Yeah.
Or we already gave it before.
No, we gave 10, right? Here, what's the output?
Close and open it. Is it refresh?
Yeah, I closed and I opened it.
Yeah, we got
Which one is the,
exact.
what is the output file? This is the output file, right?
Yes, this is the
Yeah.
output.
1 second.
Mm.
They both are input file. For existing data, 11 Singapore. It changed 11 7. Okay. The start date should be 2022 9/11. Okay.
For employee ID 55 date is wrong. I mean, it's not come still. Today date 13th.
1 second. Forget about employee number 55. Focus on 11 only. For 11 only moved to a different location. Okay. Now, the start date for 11, ideally there should be 2 records, but there is only one.
No, we
Mm.
gave false, right, for the
1 second, 1 second.
for
Okay.
the 10.
Why is start date -1?
Yeah, wait.
End date should be -1, no?
End date should be start date, man. 1 second, 1 second.
Can give -2 and we can check.
1 second.
No, we can
See,
give end date itself.
forget
End
about
date.
forget about everything, okay? Clean up your mind and let's see. There is a employee called 11, okay? 11 moved to a 2 different location. Already we have the data for this scenario. Okay, let's do in this.
Hamida,
1 second.
can you change the format
1
there
second. Don't do anything. 1
to
second.
sort it so that we can understand easily?
1 second, Udayani, 1 second. Hamida,
Yes.
delete everything what you have in your output file first. Delete. And copy everything what we have in the existing data.
Okay.
And 1 second, 1 second. Are the column names are same? 1 second. Go to that output file and give Control Z. Control Z. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I'm asking. Actually, we are
Column name.
mapping differently.
1 second.
So it's a little bit
Column
confusing, the
names
start
should
date and
be,
end date.
column name should be same. Okay. Go to designer once and compare the output. What are the column names you have given? Go to 1 second. Go to transformer. Go to transformer. Output side. What are the column? Can you compare these column names with what we have in? Go to your end date, employee ID, location.
Can you pull that end date to the last remaining or
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
End date should be the last so that we can understand better.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there. Okay.
Now run it.
1 second, 1 second. Go to your existing data. Are there 5 columns or?
Existing data. Okay.
Employee ID, 1 second. Employee ID, employee location. Change. Okay, change
Start date.
required. Start date, end date. Okay. Don't populate this change code to the output. Okay. 1 second. This is the existing data. Okay. Copy this existing data, Hamida.
Okay.
Go to your output file. Delete everything. Delete. Control V.
Paste here.
Yeah, paste here. Yeah. So see, already we have the data. Now you need to update this data. Okay, that is what we are going to do. That is what SCD2 means. Okay. Now save it.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to that sequential file in the output. Close it. Cancel it. Okay.
Cancel.
Click OK. Click OK. Remove that change code. Remove that change code column. Yeah, remove it. Yes. Okay. Click OK. Click OK. Go to transformer. No, not transformer. Sorry. That sequential file. File update mode. Can you put it as append? Append. Yeah. Append. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Hmm.
Click OK. Now come. See, 1 second. See, what we are doing is, see, the existing data and the target data should be same. Okay.
Okay.
You got this point? Existing data and target data should be same. Now you need to compare the new data with the existing data. For comparing purpose, you are again calling that target to the input to compare. Okay, I will explain it again. Okay, run it now.
Why are column names equal to false?
Yeah, I will explain everything. Give me a second.
Okay.
Okay. Now see the data now. So, is this the output data?
Yeah.
Okay, forget about all the records. Why there is only 111 in the output? I'm saying
No, we have 2 11s.
211. Huh?
After birth, it continued.
Yes.
Okay, click enter. Why the alignment is changed? Okay. See, did you understand it now? See, for the 11, focus on 11 only. Open for the 11, the fresh record is end date is in all our 9s, and for old records, it is updated with the end date is updated for the old record. Did you notice it?
Yeah.
Start date is from the new day, new data, and end date is from the old data. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sudhir, can you explain again? Actually, it's totally confused.
Okay. Give me a second. We bring the charger.
Sudhir,
So by this record, how are you going to determine which is active and which is inactive?
1 second. 1 second. I will bring my charger.
Okay.
actually we did wrong here. You guys think the 11th data is right?
I think it should be offset -1.
No, if we consider this data, the working days of this person is only 1 day.
Yeah, actually, I think it
Yeah,
added.
we actually gave start data, but we have to give end date, I guess. End date -1 should be.
No. What actually happened here is the end date of the old record and the new date of the current present record were given simultaneously in the same record. This shouldn't be happen.
Yeah.
Forget about everything. Okay. Now go to Excel. Okay. Now clean up your mind. You don't know anything from the beginning. Let's write the record number 11.
Did everything here?
No, you start it fresh. Keep it like that. You just start from another cell. Just record number 11. Yeah,
Okay.
write 11 and location Singapore. Okay, and the start date is give some date. And end date you don't know, right? Yeah. No need to give column names.
Okay.
So now the employee 11 joined in Singapore and he started in that 2021. Okay, you are clear, right? At that
Yes.
time, anybody know when he is going to end or change his location? No one knows. That is why
No.
given nines, all nines. Okay, is it clear now? Is it clear so far, right? Now this is the data what we have. Okay, after 2 years, again a fresh data came and it is showing some updates regarding that employee 11. Okay, write down 11. No. Take 2-3 columns, 2-3 rows gap. No, down. In the column B only, take down, yeah, 11. Yeah, change a different city or country. Canada. Okay. Now he suddenly started working. Yeah, give some date. Today date. Okay. Now, see, this is the new data today we got. I already have the data, the record number, row number 30. I have the data already in my database. Okay. Now record number 34 came. The 34 record is showing me that he changed country. Okay, that is the date. Now what you need to do, so when is the end date in Singapore?
8th of the 8/13/2023. Sorry. 9/12/2023.
Yeah.
I think in the offset we should give -1.
So 1 second. So that is why we mapped the start date to the end date to the existing. 1 second. Can you give me the column names also? Sorry. Can you write down the column names also?
So Sudhir, is the 12/9/2023 is the date that we are going to generate in the output, right?
1 second. Just write down everything. You can copy paste. Copy paste. Can you columns from the write down the column? Okay. So stay there. So in the change capture stage, now we are comparing this both record and change code generated as 1. Okay. In row number F, can you write the number 1 or 3, right? For update it is 3. Okay. So in change capture stage, that is the output we got. Now what we need to do, we need to map the start date of Canada to the end. 1 second. So now what we need to do, we need to map the start date of Canada to the end date of Singapore. That's what we have done.
Yes.
-1, we put -1. We can write like a start date of Canada -1 to this, we mapped it. Or yeah, you got it right. Anybody have any doubts? Please understand this one point. Then now that means you got the. Oh, don't write anything. Leave it. You can, if you want, you can write in the next row, next column. Anybody have any doubts? Please tell me. Let's focus on this single record.
So the end date 9/12/2023 is what we are going to generate. Is that correct?
Yes. How we are generating it?
By subtracting 1 from the Canada date.
Yes. That's what you need to understand.
Okay.
Yeah. Everybody is clear on this?
So then what is the output which we are expecting?
So that is the same output we need to expect, right? 9/12/2023. And so in the output, total 2 records should be there. Yeah, 1 second, I will be back shortly.
So that means we are getting 11 Canada, 9/13/2023 and 9/12/2023 in a same row, right?
I think he said we should get 2 rows for SCD type 2.
Yes, 2 records. I think 11 Singapore and 11 Canada, both we need in type 2.
Yeah, the first would be 11 Singapore, 10/5/2021 and end date should be 9/12/2023, and the second record would be the same like as it represented now. Is it?
Amina, can you please open the output?
Yeah, there we gave 1. It has to be
Yes.
-1 actually.
Yeah, location also different. I think why it's come Texas. Which will be.
Yeah, in new data it is Texas, right? He moved to
Oh,
Texas.
okay. But what about previous history?
Yeah, we are
data?
appending the history.
History
Yes.
data is said to be an inactive data, and present data is said to be active data with a code given.
But
There has
when
to be
comes
a
to the
separate
type,
column naming which is active and inactive data, so that this data will make some sense.
but it at the time it will comes to the type 1. Why do we it's mean type 2?
No, we
Type
are
2 means
getting the
history
No,
and
for type 1, the difference between type 1 and type 2 is for type 1, there will be no history. If you
yes.
move to Texas, it will be the record will be showing that you are in Texas. That's all. Your previous history will not be shown in type 1. But for type 2, Your history will also be seen in the seen in your record. If you are
Yes.
from India, then one of your records says that you are from India and that record is inactive. And now you are in US, so the present record of yours is active. You understand?
Yes. Yes, I understand. But why do we to write type 2? It's same like type 1.
No,
At the time, why don't we design
I
type
mean,
1?
Gauri,
if there is a requirement to see your history also, then they are going to ask you for type 2. If there is
Okay.
no requirement of knowing your history to the organization, then they'll not be asking your history. That is just a
Okay.
matter of
Yes, I
requirement.
understand that one. But present we design type 1 or type 2?
He's showing type 2, but it is
yeah, it's
little
wrong actually. We are getting
little
wrong.
I'm
broken.
saying that one. It's the same like type 1. But
Yeah,
Sudhirana
just
is saying
the
it's a
details,
type
but
2.
it's the wrong thing to do.
Yes.
Since we
Actually,
are
there
not
are
getting,
two end dates, two end dates and two start dates. Is it?
yeah,
And we have to know which, I mean, for the end date of the previous record, we have to minus the date of the start date of the current record. Isn't it? So I could not discriminate which start date has to be given there. How the start date will be given there, that I could not make it. You understand?
Actually, is the output we got is correct or not? Actually, no, right?
No, this is not correct.
I didn't understand anything, and I understood the concept which he explained, but I couldn't follow the output actually. Why we don't have an end date in the new data?
So new data, because see, go to that Excel.
Sudhir, can you explain the process also once, please, quickly?
That's what we are doing now. Okay.
No, this I understood actually the
See,
concept.
1
but-
second. Now what you asked me is in new data, why there is no end date, right?
Yeah.
See, in new data means current data. Do you know when he is going to leave the company or he's moving to a different location? How
No,
come?
but like we'll give that 4 9s, right? But in the input we didn't give anything.
Oh, if we did not give anything, we can add it. Yeah, first
Oh,
understand the concept, then see our
okay.
process where there is wherever the gaps are there, we can
Okay.
modify.
This concept I got it, yeah.
Yeah.
That process only I get little confused.
Okay, okay. So
So there for both the records, it is start date only, no? So how will the system know? How will the transformer know which start date we are going to minus?
yeah, we're mapping, right? See, the start date from Canada, we are mapping this to end date of Singapore.
Okay. Can I see that again?
Can you just quickly
1 second,
show
1
that
second.
process and
1
also
second,
the
1 second. See, now we are mapping the end start date of Canada. See, start date of Canada to the we are
start date of
mapping
Canada -1 is the end date of Singapore.
exactly. Correct. You need to
Okay.
understand that.
How are we going to program it?
Yeah, we are just mapping. Go to transformer. It's a simple mapping. What is the end date now? See, the end date is -1 of start date.
can you change there? It should be -1.
-1, huh? Okay.
Yeah, it should be -1.
Okay. Just add minus. Yeah. It's outside. So that's all.
No, Sudhir, we are getting output wrong, I guess.
Okay.
Actually, in the output, we are just appending the existing data, but we're not getting the end data for that.
We are not getting the end date. Okay.
Yeah, we have to get the end data too, right?
Yeah, we
End
need to get the end date.
for
Yes.
that. We are only getting 4 nines there.
No, again, it appended.
Now it will keep on appending it.
Oh. Can you delete first set of
Amma
second
వస్తుంది
set data?
ఎందుకు వస్తుంది wait వస్తుంది
Can you delete the middle one?
you can see do let's do one second.
Sudhir, we have to get end date for the first data and 4 nines for the last data.
One second.
Anybody understood what I am trying to say?
Yeah, I understood. The first set should have the end date updated, right?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
second set should have 999 since we are not ending right now.
Yeah, correct.
So see, overall you understood the concept, right? Now now we need to populate the end date, right? That's what pending. That is also there.
I mean, the end date has swapped. In the first data set, end date should be in the second data set, and second data set end date should be in the first data set.
Okay, whatever. Overall, you understand this concept, right? That is more than enough. Okay.
And no, Sudhir, actually, in the transformer, how is the transformer going to understand which start date we are giving?
Yeah,
Is it from
got
table
confused.
1 or table 2? How the transformer is going to understand that? That I'm not understanding.
We
Okay.
understand concept, but when comes to the job designs, we don't understand.
Sudhir, like,
Go to
can you
that
open
Excel.
the transformer
Yeah,
and
okay.
just explain once what you did and the output also? The process alone, can you explain once shortly?
First, you understand. Go to that Excel first. See, that is the existing data. This is the new data. Okay. Now you tell me. After that, we are comparing using change data capture stage. Okay. Then, what is the output come for change data capture stage? Tell me. Write down the output there.
What is that, Sudhir? What do you want me to write?
What is the output of change data capture stage? That they are the source files. Okay. Now, what is the output from the change data capture stage? When you drop copy, so here 11 Canada, the second record will come to the output as updated, right?
Yeah.
11 is updated.
Yes.
Okay. 11 comma 3 it will come. 11 3.
Yes.
Or you can write now. So you are populating that particular data only. 1 second. When you okay, let's do in this way. Go to job. Go to job. Okay, close everything. Okay. Create create one more output link to transformer. Okay. Give another sequential file. Okay. Now go to the give one file path and see how the data is coming from change data capture. Click OK and go to transformer. Give the same constraint, copy paste the same constraint for TS link 11 also, because we need only okay, 1 second. Okay, don't give any constraint, copy the data as it is. Let's see how it is coming. Click cancel, copy everything whatever we have in the input. Yeah, now see how the data looks like. Run the job. View the data. Okay. So copy that record number 11. Paste it in Excel. See. Now you understand what happens now. It compared the data. This is the output we got. Now what we need to do in the next step? We need to map this start date to the end date, right? Only 111 came to the output, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Go to Excel.
What is this 10, 9, 23 date actually? We don't have that in
What?
this 10, 9, 23 that we got out.
No, your voice is not visible, audible. You are not audible.
Why is it 2023 9-10? She's asking that.
Yeah.
Okay. Because it is in it is a start date, right? This is the start date when he moved to Texas. Texas is a new location, right?
Yeah, but start date is 13-9, right?
Yeah, here it is Canada, maybe different date. I think the data is different.
Yeah, data is different when explaining.
Yeah, I just wrote for
Okay.
example.
Okay.
If you want, you can take the same input if you want. No, from your input file.
Okay.
No.
Okay, I existing data.
Yeah.
So this is the updated.
This is the existing data, first data.
Okay.
So you want me to give it here?
No, not there. Oh yeah, that to
You
change, right?
copy whatever you have in the existing data and copy whatever you have in new data. Go to your existing data file and copy paste here.
Nine 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 and new data it is. this one. So it's not taking. Oh my god.
I think you need to change the format in the top to general or something.
General.
Yeah, it's in the number. Like, can you come in the middle and change the date format on the top? Yeah, make it general.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
So this is our input data. Okay. Does it change the date format?
This
Okay.
is the output. From output, I copied this.
Okay. Okay. So now what we have? We have 11 Texas 2023 9 10, right? Okay. Now we need to map this start date to the end date. To the end date of Singapore, right? 1 second. Stay. This is the output we got. There is something we need to do. I think we need to perform some join and we need to map that particular okay. Okay. See, now in the target, we already have the existing data, right? Now we need to update that existing data with this current rate, right? Okay. Can you write all the column names what we have in the target? In the target, you can write in row number J, in column J.
Okay. We have employee ID.
You just
Okay.
go to that output file and copy paste what we have there.
Anyway,
No, not this one.
not this. Not this one.
Yeah. Start date, end date. Yeah, paste here. Now we need to map this end date to the data what is existed already. Okay, to the end date. Okay. Mm. Now the end date should be already there. Okay. Okay. And if we put 3, only that update record will come. Okay. 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 Remove everything except the current data in the output file,
Shall I remove everything? This one?
except the except the existing data, except the first set of data.
Okay.
Whatever you have in the existing data, keep that only and remove everything in output.
This is output. Shall I delete this also?
Yes, delete.
Okay.
Okay. First we will implement step by step. Okay. Give one more backspace. Okay, save it. Okay. Close it. Close everything.
What did I do? I saved it, right?
Is it no? Hey, delete everything. Delete everything in the output. The output. This is the output, right, for SCD main output.
Yes.
Okay. Delete everything in that except the new, except the existing data. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. No. Don't delete that 55.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Save it. Go to designer. Okay. Go to the change data state. Okay. Let's focus on focus on only the updated record. Go to transformer. I think we need a join. 1 second, I will quickly check on notes is there. Give me a few minutes. Okay, I will do one thing. Okay, I will look into this and we will continue the discussion tomorrow about SCD2. Okay, keep it aside. It will consume some time. Let's move on to a different topic or we will end this session. Okay. Tomorrow I will have a look and I will come back. Otherwise, it is taking more time. We can do it. It is achievable only. Okay, it's not a big deal. But I think we need to perform one join and then we need to map it. That is the thing. Okay. Okay, go to Excel and we will see what are the topics more. I will also share one YouTube video link in which she implemented SCD2. You can refer that.
Okay.
Topics SCD2, keep it in yellow. SCD2, yeah, keep it in yellow.
I don't think Richika did SCD.
No, the other girl did actually. I will share the video. She
Oh,
explained
okay.
it very clear.
Yeah, I couldn't find from her videos.
Yeah, I will share that link. It is very easy only, but I need to brush up some. I need to think on it. It's very simple logic only. We need to perform some join and we need to map it. But anyway, finally we have to achieve it, even though it is late. If you learn, that is good. That overall concept, that is what the overall concept, but for sure we are going to implement it. Okay, very simple thing only. One join we need to perform. I will. Okay. Okay, let's forget about it. And what are the steps to pivot? Pivot sequencers. Partitions, configuration file, SQL queries we are going to discuss on Friday. And pivot is a simple stage actually. Pivot means we're going to change the columns to rows and rows to columns. I will share one video link. Ruchika explained that. You guys just go through that video. And Udayini, or if you are interested, you can go through that video tomorrow, or anybody, and design a job, and you can show it in the session tomorrow. Pivot and sequencers. It's already 9:50. Yeah. Okay. I will give you a brief introduction about sequencers now. Sequencers are just suppose now you designed a couple of jobs, right? Go to that designer. So if you want to run your parallel jobs one by one, you need a sequencer job. In that sequencer job, you can call them and you can run them. Go to file. No, on the left top.
Okay.
Open. You are able. Okay. Close everything. Close all the jobs. Save it. File. Go to file. New. Okay. Cancel it. Yeah. Here you sequencer jobs. Sequencers means if you want to run your jobs in a sequence, you are going to create a sequencer job. Okay. Now go to sequencers. Left side. Yeah. Call the job activity to the canvas. Give one output link. Call another job activity. Okay. Give one more output link. Call another job activity. Okay. Now, so how this they will work is you have to call your parallel jobs to the sequencer jobs. Okay. Click on job activity. Double click.
First one.
Yeah. Job. Okay. Click on that options for job name. Call any of your all of your jobs, or if you can finish it, right, Amida? All are yeah.
Yes.
Call any of your jobs. Select. Open. Yeah. And triggers. Go to triggers. So unconditional. Okay, leave it like that. We can discuss more about it. If you select that unconditional, there will be a couple of options. Okay. Don't do anything. Click OK. Okay. Now go to the next activity. Okay. Job. Click options. Call another job. Open. Click OK. And now call another job. Open. Okay. Click OK. Save it. Yeah, we can name as sequencer job. Okay. Yeah, you can run it. Run that sequencer. Yeah, company. What will happen? Anyone can tell me now? What will happen now?
I think first the job activity 0 will run.
Yeah,
After it's successful, then job activity 3 and then 6.
yeah. Is that Pranusha?
Yeah.
Wow. You can give Control L. You can see what is happening.
Okay. Job run requested, then waiting for job to start, then first inner join finish, then job first it is finished and status to then job run requested, first left join, then it started, then it finished, then second
Go to that
third one.
summary. Go to that summary is there, right? Summary of sequence. Last but one. Log. No. Last but one. Yeah, double
Okay.
this will there you can see what happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the way you can call in real time, in real world. You never run a parallel job. You have to run a sequence. The sequence job will trigger parallel job. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you go to that options, go to job activity.
Where is it?
Yeah, close it.
Okay.
Again, Q Control L. Try Control L. Will it gone? No. Okay. Now, see, suppose now if you have condition, there is a job activity 0, activity 3, activity 6, right? Now, if you don't want, if suppose if job activity 0 failed, okay,
Okay.
it is failed, you don't want the job activity 3 should trigger.
Okay.
If job activity 3 is failed, job activity 6 should not be triggered. Should
Okay.
not be run or trigger, anything is okay. Okay. Even you can create some dependency, or you are not needed to create the dependency. Now you gave unconditional. Unconditional means without any dependency, the jobs are going to trigger. Okay. But one by one after another.
Okay.
Okay. And now, okay, double click on if any of the sequencer. Yeah, double click that the job activity. X, okay. Can you click on middle? Click on middle one, not the, yeah.
Trigger.
Triggers. Yeah. Click on there, click there. See. Okay, conditional warning, user stats, custom. Okay. These all are the couple of options like what we have to do when the job is failed and all. Okay. These are the options we need to select based on our criteria, based on our requirement. Okay. In the expression type, we need to specify the failed. If you click on failed, okay, double click there on the expression, click on expression on, no, not there, click on expression,
Beside one.
expression, yeah, double click, yeah, in the derivation, double click in the derivation, yeah,
No,
in that blue color, yeah, double click,
not able to get anything from
nothing is
here.
happening. Okay,
It's fixed
overall,
one.
yeah, overall you need to understand. For now, I will explain you more about this expression, how we need to give. But overall, what you need to understand is how these sequencer jobs will work. Sequencer jobs, to run our parallel jobs in a sequence, we are going to use sequencer jobs. Okay, and cancel it. You can cancel it. There are a couple of options: start loop, end loop, and if you see start loop, end loop, nested condition, even you can run some commands also from the sequencer using that execute command activity. There is some execute command. Have to do that. Execute command option is there, right? You can run
Yes.
the Unix commands over there. Okay. Suppose if there are 10 files and you need to process all the 10 files in a sequence. In those cases also, you are going to use this start loop and loop activity. First file is going to process. Second file is going to process. In that way, the loop will work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. We need to discuss more on this in detail, but for now you need to understand it on a high level. At least I want to cover one new topic today because we spend a lot of time implementing it. That's why I don't want to stuck anywhere. We can implement. See, if we have time, we can sit and we can implement anything. But overall, I want you guys to understand the concept, then and move on. But SCD2 for sure we are going to implement it. For other topics, I don't want to spend a lot of time on implementing. Okay.
So there actually the output of this job activity we cannot see here.
No. Right click on any job activity. Open job. See, this is the job that is going to open. See, you are calling this parallel job into the sequence. If you run that sequence, this parallel job will run.
Okay, if we want to see the output, we have to go for the individual
You have to
thing.
go to that parallel job and view, or can go to the desktop and that will just run this parallel job. Okay.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Sorry, what is parallel job?
Parallel job is that's what she is showing now. This is parallel job.
Okay, like, is there any reason for it's called as parallel?
Because the data is going to process parallelly. Suppose there are 100 records. Actually, this topic I haven't covered yet. Since you are asking this question, I can give you the brief understanding why we are calling this as a parallel job. Suppose there are 100 records and 2 servers. The records will split into each server 50-50. Okay, so the data is processing parallelly. That is the reason we are calling it as parallel job. If there are 4 servers and 100 records, each server split 25 records. In the same way, the time will be lesser. And the records will be processed parallelly.
Okay, like,
Yeah, that is the reason we are calling it as parallel jobs.
okay, so do we need to define anything or
No, nothing is. There is a config file. We need to see when you are going to file and go to file. Some Hamida once go to that file. Close all your jobs. Close all your jobs. Close this job. Yeah. Close this one. Yeah. Now go to file. Not that file. On the top. Yeah. Open. Can you close this palette also? Why it's not. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Close it. Close it. Close it. Yeah. Close this palette. Yeah. Close it and close it. Okay. Now go to file. New. Click on new. See. Now sequence jobs are there. Parallel jobs are there. Actually, there are jobs called as server jobs also. But there is but here it is. I think in this version it is not supporting those server. Yeah, see these are the server jobs. Okay, now you can select which job you want to design. Server job means there is no concept of parallelism. If there are 100 records, there will be only one server. Each record will process one by one. For parallel jobs, records will split into the many servers, and it will process parallelly. Okay.
okay?
Yeah, that's how it works.
So do we need to configure the servers and everything, or it is automatic, or how it is?
No, you don't need to configure anything. Everything by default. You just need to select the option, which job you want to run.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, at least we covered one new topic today. And tomorrow in the first 15 minutes, we are going to finish that SCD job, and we are going to move on to a different topic. I will share that video link if anybody have time, implement that. And also the pivot stage, I want everyone try to implement, or Udaini will design, and she's going to explain tomorrow.
I already sent the video to the group.
Okay.
Posted the video.
Okay.
I have one question. So in general, do we choose parallel job for doing all?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
We choose parallel jobs, and also we choose, once parallel jobs are finished, we will create a sequence job, and we will call those parallel jobs into the sequence. We will run only sequence in real time. We won't run parallel jobs. While we are designing, while we are developing, we are going to use parallel jobs. Once the development is completed, we are going to use the sequence jobs only to run parallel jobs.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
And yeah, that's all for today. If anybody have any questions, any doubts.
So there one doubt when we were doing that the previous case, right? So SCD in that, like the date when you gave the date like 4 9s, right? You gave it as a variable, right? Why didn't we give it as integer or date format?
I did not understand what you asked.
We did a previous job, right, in SCD.
Yeah.
So in that, like the 999's default date we gave, right? So you gave that as a character variable or something.
Yeah, you can give
So
integer also.
even the numbers we can give it as a character variable actually.
Varchar can support anything, but integer we support
Okay.
mostly Varchar data only.
Varchar can support both the numbers and alphabets.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I want you guys to understand the concept. Okay, if you are not able to implement it, that's fine. But in the interview, they are going to focus on your understanding. Okay, your understanding of concept. Okay. And yeah, we also need to practice some scenarios. Tomorrow onwards we are going to do. Today this SCD to kill all of our time. Okay. Okay, anything to discuss? I don't think to, okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm ending this call. Okay. We will catch
So
up.
there, can you share this video also actually
Yeah,
tomorrow
sure.
by morning at least, because like I didn't get few concepts. Maybe I'll check it out.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.